Monsoon is finally here and it is my favorite weather just like everyone else. Pitter patter of rain is one of the most calming sound, I guess. There is something comforting about listening to the live music of rain. A million water droplets hitting the window become one to form a beautiful melody. And when this music finally stops, the aftermath of damp earth results in an indescribable fresh smell that somehow makes you feel nostalgic. And whenever the rain stops, I like to spend some time in my small balcony and appreciate the beautiful skies and fresh air. So today I thought, let me take you guys along and show you how I like to create a simple cozy seating in my balcony so I can enjoy the monsoons. I start by laying a faux grass carpet cause the feeling of wet grass, even though faux is amazing. It helps me feel closer to the nature. Such grass carpets can be easily customized according to the size of your balcony, and these grass carpets have got holes also, drainage holes are also there, so you can easily clean them without much hassle. Then I move on to adding some greens and blooms cause who can miss the beauty of rain droplets resting on the leaves. I am using small hanging planters as my balcony is really tiny and it helps me save the floor space. Now it's time to set up our small corner, so I'm going to add a small rug as I love a warm cozy feel under my feet while reading or sipping my tea. After this, I am going to add a battery operated fairy light as it will not only be a safer option given the rain, it will give that magical vibe to our small corner. If you have a covered balcony, then you can add electrical fairy lights as well. Now moving on, I am adding my balcony bistro set. Always use an outdoor furniture in your balcony cause it is perfect for facing all sort of weather conditions. I love using wrought iron furniture outdoors as it is very strong and durable and can withstand the test of time. It's available in lot of painted color options to choose from. Personally, I prefer colorful furniture outdoors as it is vibrant and perfect to add a pop of color in my outdoor space. If the paint wears off after some years, you can easily paint it at home. Other options which I love using outdoors are natural materials like cane and bamboo. These are not only lightweight, they can survive the rough weather as well. Now moving on, you can add a tablecloth if you want. I always add one cause it gives me that cozy cafe feeling. You can add a flower vase with some fresh or dried flowers and you will thank me later. You can also add some of your favorite books if you like reading. You can also add some floor lanterns and tea light holders if your space permits. I have added couple of throw pillows in order to make our tiny corner a little more cozier. And we are done. It's time to switch on the lights, put on soothing slow music and enjoy the weather. I read somewhere, it's the small tiny moments that make our life big, and I totally believe in it. So do not wait for that big moment, enjoy every small moment with your loved ones and make every day special. Whenever you get a chance, always take out some time just for yourself. Whether it is sipping tea in your favorite cup, flipping through your favorite book, or listening to some soothing music. Nature can soothe your soul like no one else, so go enjoy that fresh air and feel that misty wind on your face. All the products shown in this video and many more such products for your outdoor space and balcony are available on Flipkart. Please refer to the description box for links. I hope you guys enjoyed setting up this tiny corner in my balcony. Pretty soon I'm planning another makeover of this balcony. I'll be repainting the bistro set, so stay tuned. Hoping to see you soon next week. Till then, take care, stay safe and enjoy.